What is going on, Ape Nation? It is my pleasure to report to you today because we've got some good news to talk about. But before we do, though, please go ahead and smash that like button because it'll really piss Ken Griffin off. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so because I drop content just like this every single day. So exactly 2 weeks ago, Ken Griffin gave an interview at the Caxton Summit in China. Now, he was over there begging for money. We talked about this on a previous video that should be popping up on your screen right now. And then we also got some more news just a few days ago that Ken Griffin lost a lot of money betting against, British Airlines. And now we have even more news that says that Ken Griffin sold a $1.15 billion stake in Citadel Securities to Sequoia Capital and Paradigm. So what does this all mean? Well, if you're looking for signs, ladies and gentlemen, the signs are all here and the signs are extremely clear. Number one, Ken Griffin has been losing money out the ass. Number two, he's begging for money. Number three, he sold part of his business in order to take in a lot of capital. But what is all of this money going to be used for exactly? Well, first let me tell you what Ken Griffin is going to tell you, or is telling you that this money is being used for, and then I'll tell you what I think it's going to be used for. Well, according to Ken Griffin, the cash injection will be used to expand both globally and across new asset classes and could lead to a potential IPO. A new IPO, how exciting. Expansion, wow. And perhaps some cryptocurrency? Is that what he's going to invest in? That's what some other rumors are saying. But let me tell you what I think is going on, and let me tell you exactly why. So we all know that he's in trouble, and if you've been watching the market lately, you'll know that AMC and GME is being attacked. If you saw the numbers from this morning, and I don't remember them exactly, but I know that there's been at least 700,000 new shares out on loan just on GME this morning. That's freaking insane. Why in the hell would they be doing this? I mean, why? What is the point? Unless they're really, really needing to try hard. And all these other events that have taken place that we've talked about in the videos that I brought up in this video alone should let you know that something big is happening. Now, another video I'm going to reference here is one we talked about where we discussed how Ken Griffin controls, well, the media. Okay, and then an article from MarketWatch, which perhaps just the headline of this article is one of the biggest indicators that Ken Griffin is in trouble. So this headline reads, and I quote, "Citadel's $1.15 billion cash infusion isn't a bailout, but the final test of Ken Griffin's Death Star." Now, I actually read this article. It was extremely amusing and a red flag that something's going on in Ken Griffin's house, in the house of Ken Griffin. When you've got to go and announce through your own forums that you own that this is part of your Death Star, this isn't desperation, this isn't you, making a desperate attempt at saving your own ass, well, I think that alone is a clear indicator that you are in trouble. So for all of you that have been watching these videos, smashing that thumbs up button to help support this channel and to help piss Ken Griffin off, congratulations, because I think we're just about there. Apparently, Ken Griffin, his days of shorting and bailing other people out are soon to be over. At least that's what it appears to be, in the way that I look at it. Otherwise, he wouldn't be selling part of his business to competitors in order to, come up with some money when he supposedly has a ton of money, more money than he knows what to do with. I mean, he's been making all these donations, buying $1 million freaking paintings. I mean, this makes no sense unless he's in a boatload of trouble and he knows it and he's going to need that freaking money. And my imagination can completely run wild here. I don't want to speculate, but I think we all know what's fixing to come. Now, let me know in the comments section if you think I'm right about this, if you think that something else is going on here. Maybe Kenny Boy is fixing to retire or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below.